Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to print your Google Docs document in black and white. So once you are in Google Docs, as you can see here, by the way, on my screen I have a document here. It has some footer within colors and some of the text is actually in color, right? And this can also be useful if you have a printer that is absolutely low on colored ink. You might want to print it in black and white if you're desperate to have the document printed, right? So how you do that? Simple, once you're in the Google Doc, you want to click on File on the upper left-hand side and click on Print, last option there in the list. Now here you'll have your document show up, right? Here's a preview, and on the right-hand side, you have those different options. You want to first ensure that you select your printer, right? And now you want to go down to where it says Color. Simple click that drop down and switch it to black and white. And you will see as well in the preview that your document is now in black and white. So all you have to do is ensure that your printer is also turned on and readily available, and also paper is in your printer, right? And yeah, just simply go ahead and click and print, and that's going to print your document for you. Very easy and very simple.